Today's challenge features 3 mystery gift boxes: pink, rainbow, and blue. 2 boxes hide amazing surprises, and 1 has a shocking twist. Pick your box wisely. Let's begin. Choose your milkshake. Sip happiness first. Choose your dream car. Road freedom awaits. Choose your robot buddy. Meet your future friend. Choose your motorcycle color. Bold rides need bold choices. Choose your living room, your ultimate comfort zone. Choose your lamp. Creative sparks start here. Choose your swing. Fun energy only. Choose your wardrobe. Your fashion identity lives here. Choose your backpack. Daily carry, daily confidence. Choose your earrings. Subtle statement, big charm. Choose your bunk bed. Cozy choices matter. Choose your rice cooker. Kitchen vibes check. Choose your bookshelf. Knowledge corner unlocked. Choose your sofa, where comfort comes. Choose your cycle. Enjoy your ride. Choose your mobile. Busy life? Choose your Lego style. Build your passion piece by piece. Choose your lucky color. Trust the vibes. Choose your laptop, your daily powerhouse. Choose your dream castle. Your color decides your fate. Choose your scooter. City vibes on full power. Choose your perfume, a signature aura that defines you. Choose your ice style. Choose your task. Task is very easy. Choose your luxury yacht. Gold waters, rich dreams. Choose your instinct lane. Quick decisions reveal personality. Choose your headphone. If you are a music lover, like the video. Choose your gaming room. Focus hard or flex big. Choose your coffee machine. Morning energy starts here. Choose your earpods. Sound that matches your vibe. Choose your everyday watch. Timeless pick, timeless style. Choose your massage chair. Stress relief unlocked. Choose your piano. Creative mood activated. Choose your igloo. Cold comfort, cozy feels. Choose your ice cream. Instant mood booster. Please subscribe for cookie.